Amazing.
Wonderfully, everything has been organized, set up, arranged, planned.
परत येऊ एवढं डेफिनेटली विथ अर्बन ट्रेल्स.
मला अजून बघायचंय सगळं काय काय आहे.
Good morning, early risers. It's 5:30 in the morning. We are heading out for the first game drive in Masai Mara.
So you've just seen a cheetah with a sub-adult cub.
They were looking for the right time and the right availability to actually attack. They hid in a bush and a flock of several animals were approaching them. The value of patience, they waited till the very last minute and sought their chance, and when they attacked, you could see the whole herd move one way and there was only a lone animal moving the other way. That was obviously the most appropriate prey, and they got it within seconds. The whole activity took 5 seconds, but probably took 5 hours in the making for the cheetahs.
Great yaar.
It was really shocking to see the difference between live TV and in real life, because there's just a different emotion that is evoked.
This is beyond imagination.
I think to top it all up, the people, I mean the guides that we have, and they are so knowledgeable. They know their they know their game. They're on the top of their game, and I think that kind of really creates a very good experience.
How is our guide?
Daniel's the girl.
Daniel's the goat. Every single time, where to position the gypsy, how to keep moving ahead so that we get the best shot, lighting, angle. Daniel's the goat.
It has been out of this world. It's been on my bucket list, so thank you for making it happen.
It was so good. It's been the best trip of my life.
It was awesome.
Unforgettable Kenya.
Absolutely wonderful to see it live, and thanks to UrbanTrails for getting us in the right spot at the right time.